Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the ad type, pop-up, banner, full screen, or persistent notification, because the fix depends on it. Once done, put the phone in airplane mode to stop new network requests, make sure Wi-Fi is off if you want a clean snapshot, and then open the app or browser showing the ad. From here, go straight to the app settings or the browser site settings to access permissions and clear cache. This is where you'll take the first actionable removal steps. You now perform the core removal. Clear cache and app storage to remove stored ad data, and revoke site permissions for cookies and pop-ups to prevent reappearance. If the ad came from an app, uninstall any recently added apps, or reboot into safe mode to see if the ad vanishes. This isolates third-party apps. Next, install a reputable ad blocker or enable the browser's built-in pop-up and tracker blockers to stop ads proactively, and then restart the app to confirm the change. Finish by restarting your device and watching for recurring ads. Make sure apps and the operating system are updated, because patches often fix ad exploits. If the problem persists, reset browser settings, remove suspicious extensions, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If an ad still appears, scan the device with a trusted anti-malware app to detect adware. This step helps you identify hidden services that reinstate ads, and it's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.